All right, so let's look at this big function. I've got quotient rule with product rule happening. So I see the most outside thing that's happening is the quotient rule. So we start with that, and as I'm doing quotient rule, then I have product rule happening inside. So I start with low, and then d high. So to take the derivative of this, I have product rule going on. So first d second plus second d first. Subtract, because quotient rule is subtract, the high, and then d low. So carry along the 3, take the derivative of cosecant, which is negative cosecant cotangent, and then move to the next term. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Square the bottom, and off we go. All right, so this one here, the most outside operation is quotient rule again, and I have product rule happening in the denominator this time. So start with low, d high, minus high, d low. So to take the derivative of this denominator, right here is the product rule again. So first d second plus second d first, and then move to the next term, so plus 4 e to the x, square the bottom, and off you go. All right, this one here, the most outside operation that's happening is the product rule. So I'm going to start with first, and then to take the derivative of the second, that's when I've got this quotient rule going on. So it's low d high, derivative of 3e to the x is 3e to the x, minus high d low. So the derivative down here, derivative of cosine is negative sine, so I get negative 2 sine, derivative of 3 is 0. Square the bottom, and off you go. So all of this is d second. So this is first d second plus second d first. So low d high minus high d low, square the bottom, and off you go. All right, so let's begin. Actually, let's finish there, and we'll finish off chain rule next.